Good morning everyone, my name is Jordan and today is October the 4th. I'm gonna go quickly over some charts, mainly DXY, EURUSD and GBP/USD. But before I start, I would like to highlight that this is not financial advice. Yeah, this is just a way that I see the market and that I just would like to share with all of you. But by all means, this is no financial advice. Okay, well, what could we see? What happened last week? Yeah, we could see last week that we run through the previous higher point. This for me means that we are still very bullish. Yeah, but this also means that I am not willing to buy at current prices. Yeah, so we are gonna look if we can get some kind of discount prices. The price area where I'm looking at is this order block over here. So I would like to see the DXY, so dollar pricing, going lower, trading into our order block before another probably push higher. If we go to the 1 hour chart, which might be more clear, we can see that we have formed last week some form of liquidity. Yeah, here we can clearly see a trend line. Yeah, and we can see here as well some form of liquidity. So this means for me that I would like to see price to come and hit those liquidity points. I marked already up before that we had a high over here, we have a low, we have a lower high here and a lower low. So this means that at the moment we are currently in a bearish cycle. Overall market trend. If we go to the daily, we know we are very bullish. But if we go to a 1 hour, then we can see that we might find a counter trend trade opportunity. As we could see here, as previously said, the high, low, a lower high, lower low. So I am looking now at this order block here for price to come back, ideally during today, Monday session, to then further sell off further in the week, speaking Tuesday, eventually into Wednesday. So my expectation, what I think that might happen, or what I really would like to see, is DXY dollar pricing going up, trading into our order block here, to then trade lower into the area that we previously mentioned, this daily order block over here, which also will mean that we will clear this liquidity and this liquidity. If I go to EURUSD, for example, which would mean that I expect first of all lower prices and then higher prices. I'm gonna put a disclaimer because as I said before, guys, this is not financial advice at all, just the way that I see the market. Here we can see some liquidity that has been formed, equal lows. I would like to see price to come lower first of all, maybe clear this liquidity and then go higher. As we can see, we have a clear some imbalance zones over here. We have some liquidity up here, up here, up here. So I do expect some bullish relief as well on Euro USD. But for me, the more a chart is more clear is this one. Yeah. If we go to GBP USD, the 4 hour, we could see here already some bullish reaction. Yeah, we could see here a nice reaction of this bullish order block. So the next order block we see is the one over here. Yeah, we can also see some imbalance over here. So what I do expect of GBP USD is to trade a bit lower, ideally into this order block before we see another push higher. Okay. So this was it. A very short recap on what I expect what will happen in the market, and yeah, let's see how this play out. I wish you all a great trading day and a great trading week. Have a good one, guys.